Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I am making baked red hot apples. My kids love to eat these red hots when we were decorating Christmas cookies. If you don't know what they are cinnamon candies. And my mother loved to make baked apples. That was a very popular dessert during the Great Depression. This recipe goes back decades. I don't know how old it is. So what I have here is about 6 apples peeled and cut up, and some red hots, and a half a cup of water. All I need to do now is sprinkle the red hots onto the apples. I want to use a good amount. I think that's good enough, but maybe I'll add a little more. You want to make sure it's evenly distributed. Now all I need to do is add a half a cup of water. I'm going to bake these at a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. It's been 45 minutes and I just took it out of the oven, and now I have to let it cool. When it was baking, I stirred it every 15 minutes. Look how festive these apples are. They make a very nice side dish and a wonderful dessert. Grandpa is having this as a dessert tonight. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma.
It's still very warm.
The apples are nice, but with the red flavor don't jive with me. I don't like them at all.
You don't?
No, if it was just plain apples and the whipped cream, yeah, but that hot red, whatever they are.
They're the red hot cinnamon.
The red hot candies melted. No, not with this, Grandpa. They're too spicy for me. I had 2 of them. The flavor just don't go with me.
Well, it's okay. Don't eat it. I don't want you to get sick.
I'll eat the whipped cream.
Okay, you could eat the whipped cream.
I never liked red hot candies anyway.
I'm going to try the red hots with the apples and some whipped cream, and Grandpa left already. He didn't like this at all. This was not his favorite dessert, so let me see if I like it. I like it. It's very good. I like it a lot.
I like real cinnamon, not fake cinnamon. I would have been real happy if that was real cinnamon on there instead of a red hot candy.
Well, to me, when you eat it with the whipped cream, it's a nice flavor.
Well, your taste buds are different than mine, so.
Definitely. I really like this a lot.